Once upon a time, in a cozy town nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a little boy named Charlie. He had a heart brimming with curiosity and eyes that sparkled with wonder at the sight of anything that moved. One chilly morning, as frost painted delicate patterns on window panes, Charlie's grandfather arrived with a special gift, a magnificent toy train. Its glossy red exterior gleamed under the morning sun, and the wheels spun with a soft hum when wound up. Charlie's eyes widened in sheer delight as he clapped his hands together, unable to contain his excitement. "This is for you, my dear boy," Grandpa said with a twinkle in his eye. "Let your imagination ride the rails of adventure." From that moment, the toy train became Charlie's prized possession. He spent countless hours chugging it along imaginary tracks, creating stories of far-off lands and daring escapades. The train wasn't just a toy, it was a gateway to boundless adventures. With each turn of the wheels, Charlie's room transformed into a bustling train station. His stuffed animals eagerly lined up on the sidelines, ready to embark on the next great expedition. The train's whistle echoed through the room, signaling the beginning of a thrilling journey. Charlie's imagination knew no bounds. One day, the train traversed through dense jungles where plush green leaves whispered secrets and imaginary creatures peeked from behind trees. Another day, it sped across snow-capped mountains, braving blizzards and icy winds, while Charlie's faithful teddy bear passenger held on tight. As days turned into weeks and months, the toy train became more than just a plaything. It became a cherished companion, a conduit for Charlie's creativity. Years passed, but the memory of that gift remained etched in Charlie's heart. Even as he grew older, embarking on new adventures in life, the spirit of wonder and exploration seeded by that toy train stayed with him, guiding him through every twist and turn. The toy train might have been just a gift, but the adventures it sparked were exciting, weaving tales that lingered in Charlie's imagination for years to come.